Hello everyone and welcome to this video series of Learn RxJs. In this video, we are going to learn what are observables. Observables are the most essential part of RxJs library. Hence, it is important to know what they are. In this video, we are going to learn only what are observables. The other 3 points, hot and cold observables, different way to create observables and using subjects are going to be learned as and when we encounter the code. So let's start. What are observables? Let's assume that there is a newspaper agency which distributes a newspaper and you are one of the person who's wanting to read newspaper every day. So you say to the newspaper agency, you call up and say, I need a newspaper every day. The newspaper agency says, okay. And the newspaper agency establishes a channel to communicate with you. Now, every day, the newspaper agency delivers the newspaper to you. Once the newspaper is arrived to your home, then you say that, okay, I'll pick up the newspaper and I'll read it. So you'll consume the information that has been sent by the newspaper. So in this case, the newspaper agency has become a publisher and you have become a subscriber. And this whole setup of publisher and subscriber and delivering the newspaper from newspaper agency to the consumer is known as an observable. So if I were to say in a programmatic language, observables provide support for passing messages between publishers and subscribers in your application. So in our case, publisher was the newspaper agency, subscriber was you, and the message was the newspaper that you receive every day. And you consume that information and then you decide what you need to do. Observables are declarative. So declarative means that they do not execute the publishing function unless there are subscribers to the service. That makes totally a sense. No point running a newspaper agency or no point being a newspaper publisher if there's no subscriber to your service. Hence, observables are declarative. Observables are a very important part of your application and they can send multiple kinds of data inside your application. So your application has to worry only where and when to subscribe to the data. That's it. And whenever the publisher publishes the data, the subscribers or the places where the data needs to be consumed can take action over the data that is coming in. That's it for what are observables. I hope you like everyday JavaScript and please like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you want any concept to be explained in this channel, I'll do it. Please drop your comments in your comment section. Thank you.